first bite ng nasi kandar. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kekloksi Temple, a huge Chinese na Buddhist temple. Buddhist ba to? Guanyin. Basta Chinese temple siya dito sa Penang. And it is really big. So let us explore this temple for a bit. In this temple ground, maraming garden, may mga turtles na sangkatutak, very calm and peaceful. So, very zen yung area na to. Libre lang yung pagpunta dito. Ang babayaran mo lang is yung kung sasakay ka dun sa parang train. So guys, we are taking the funicular going up to the Guanyin Temple or the Guanyin statue. Kasi dapat pala hindi kami pumasok dun sa prayer temples. Dun lang kami sa main road kung gusto namin maglakad. So ngayon, no choice. We have to take this inclined train. Guys, we finally reached the Guanyin statue. Ito yung parang pinaka-tuktok nitong Kekloksi Temple. And yan, you can see it. The huge statue of Guanyin. So guys, that is Kekloksi Temple dito sa Ayir Itam. So kung gusto niyo ng ganong trip, gusto niyo ng kapayapaan, gusto niyo ng medyo zen, this is the place to be. So ngayon, we are going down to the Hawker Food Center dito sa Ayir Itam. May mga tabi-tabing kainan dito eh. Lakarin na lang namin. And we will eat our second meal of the day, second breakfast. Let's go. Hi guys! So we are here ngayon sa food center dito sa Ayir Itam and we will just have some food here. Naka-order na ako nitong curry mee, tapos umorder din ako ng char kway teow. So kakain lang muna kami dito bago kami bumalik sa Georgetown. Hey guys, so we're back here sa Georgetown. Nag-grab na lang kami from Ayir Itam. Dito kami nagpa-drop malapit sa Fort Cornwallis Tsaka malapit dun sa Queen Victoria Monument. Dito sa area na to, dito nyo makikita yung yung mga remnants ng British colonization dito sa Penang. So tara, ikot-ikot tayo. Let's go. So over here is Fort Cornwallis. Bale, ito yung stronghold ng British colony dito sa Penang. So unfortunately, itong Fort Cornwallis under renovation. Basta may construction sa loob, kaya bawal pumasok. So guys, kita nyo ba ako? Kung hindi nyo ako kita, okay lang. Basta kita nyo yung Queen Victoria Memorial Clock. Ayan, that's a monument dito sa Georgetown na dedicated para kay Queen Victoria for her Diamond Jubilee. So guys, we are now walking here sa Beach Street. Galing kami dun sa Queen Victoria Clock Tower. So lakad lang kami, may pupuntahan kaming food. Kakain kami ng nasi lemak. Yun yung national food ng Malaysia. So dito sa Beach Street, you will see a lot of buildings na colonial yung architecture. Most of the buildings here dates back to late 19th to early 20th century. So, nandito pa yung remnants ng British colonization din. We're supposed to eat dun sa alley nasi lemak. Actually, 1:30 pa lang. Ang nasa Google, 2 p.m. talaga yung closing nila. But since sold out na yung kanilang nasi lemak for the day, ayun, they closed early. So ngayon, punta na lang tayo dun sa isa pang nasi lemak na kainan dito malapit sa Beach Street. So tara. Thank you. Hello guys. For lunch, we are here sa Nasi Lemak Burung Hantu. Bale, Beach Street corner, Shulia Street. Malapit to dun sa sa fire station na luma. So, we will eat nasi lemak, the national dish ng Malaysia. Isa lang yung in-order ko kasi big serving naman to. So, ito yung fried chicken na nasi lemak. So guys, this is the first time na matitikman natin ang nasi lemak. Ang primary component ng nasi lemak, syempre, yung rice na niluto sa gata. Lasa siyang suman. Yung suman na hindi matamis. As in, plain rice na niluto sa gata. Usual partner din niya as side dishes. Ito, may mani. Tapos, meron ding dilis. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng sambal. Ang ahang nito. Guys, napaka-ahang ng sambal. Oh my God. Yung fried chicken nila, hindi basta-basta ang fried chicken. Parang pinirito siya kasama ng gata din. So, may kasama siyang fried spices. So yun guys, we just finished our first nasi lemak dito sa Penang and the whole of Malaysia actually. So that's the national dish of Malaysia. So ngayon, maglalakad-lakad ulit muna kami dito sa Georgetown. Hunting pa rin ng mga street art. So tara, let's go. guys, we are here in one of the alleys dito sa Georgetown. And kilala itong alley na to kasi nandito yung isa sa mga street art na famous dito sa Georgetown. Yung Brother and Sister on a Swing. Yung mga street art na to, isa ito sa mga attractions dito sa Georgetown na pinupuntahan talaga ng mga turista. So ayun, yun yung Brother and Sister on a Swing. Tapos, nandito rin yung lola na nagsaserve ng soy milk. So yun yung mga street art dito sa alley na to. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa Clan Jetties kasi just around the corner, nandun naman yung mga Clan Jetties dito sa Georgetown. So tara, let's go. So ngayon guys, we are here at Chu Jetty. So isa to sa mga Clan Jetties na nandito sa Georgetown. So itong mga jetties na to, ano sila? Mga neighborhood na nakatayo sa stilts sa ibabaw ng tubig. What will you say? Thank you. Kasi. So itong mga Clan Jetties, ano talaga sila tirahan, mga neighborhood. Pero they've become famous kasi nagkaroon na ng mga stores dito, nagkaroon ng cafes, mga souvenir shops, mga gano'n. Naging famous na siya for tourists. Very scenic. So, ayun, that is the Clan Jetties. Actually, nabasa ko dati. Itong mga Clan Jetties, they were in danger of na tanggalin dito prior to the declaration ng UNESCO World Heritage Site sa Georgetown. Pero, yun nga, nung na-declare na UNESCO World Heritage Site ang Georgetown, isa itong mga Clan Jetties naging part nung declaration na yun. Kaya bawal na silang alisin dito. So after all the walk na ginagawa namin, it's nice to have this kind of ride din kahit medyo pricey, kahit medyo turista price siya. So ngayon guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Penang Road. So meron ditong tabi-tabing mga kainan din. Pero ang target namin kainan is yung Penang Road famous chendol.
Hi bro.
Thank you.
Hi.
So ito guys, bumili ako ng yung chendol dito sa Penang Street or Penang Road. Daming tao, pinipilahan talaga siya. So this is chendol, one of the popular desserts na pampalamig. Kumbaga sa atin parang halo-halo. Sa kanila ito, chendol. So ang chendol ito, merong beans, merong pandan noodles na may yelo. Tapos ang pampatamis niya talaga is yung gula malaka. Ayan. So, palm sugar.
Can I have it?
Chicken, turkey chicken, fire chicken.
Which one's the best?
Turkey chicken.
Okay. Just one.
Not spicy. Which spicy?
Just one? Yeah. So we are having a meal, nasi kandar. Basically, itong nasi kandar, rice meal siya na may halo-halong kung ano-ano. Usually curries. First bite ng nasi kandar. Different sorts of curry mixed in rice. So, umorder ako ng beef rendang. Kasama siya. Tsaka chicken curry. Actually, meron pa doon ibang options. Pwede kayong pumili ng seafood. Pwede rin yung lamb. At kung ano-ano pa. Maraming options talaga siya. By the way guys, itong Hamidia, sila may reputation na nagpasimula ng nasi kandar sa buong Malaysia. So guys, it's our third day here in Georgetown and we're still not done exploring this place. Napakadami pa rin lugar na hindi namin naiikot, mga hindi namin nakikita. Kaya, ayun, very unfamiliar pa rin yung buong lugar. Actually guys, maliit lang yung pinaka-Georgetown. Pero sobrang daming pwedeng mapuntahan, sobrang daming pwedeng gawin. Dito napakadaming restaurants, napakadaming places na pwede kayong mag-picture-picture. Kaya parang bitin kahit 3 days or 4 days kayong iikot dito. Hindi nyo pa masusulit talaga. Siguro 1 week. 1 week stay dito sa Georgetown. Yun yung enough para masabi mong napuntahan mo talaga yung buong Georgetown. So guys, it is time to check out dito sa The Edison. Lipat kami sa next naming hotel dito sa Georgetown.
Can you enter here?
Thank you so much.
Okay, enjoy your stay in the Blue Mansion.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, we just checked in our next hotel dito sa Georgetown. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chong Fat Se House or the Blue Mansion. So ito yung next naming hotel dito just for 1 night. Anyway, 3 o'clock pa tayo makakapasok sa room kasi 3 o'clock yung standard check-in time and it's only 12:30 p.m. Kaya labas muna kami, we'll just eat lunch and then ikot saglit, then balik kami dito by 3 o'clock. So, itong Blue Mansion, actually, halos katapat lang siya nung una naming hotel na pinagstayan, which is The Edison. Ito siya. Diyan sa kabila, yung The Edison. So, tumawid lang kami and ayun, Blue Mansion na. Isang gabi lang kami magsistay sa Blue Mansion kasi tomorrow, babiyahin na kami papuntang Kuala Lumpur. So guys, for lunch, we are here sa Laksalicious. So this place is Michelin recommended. We are having asam laksa, another dish na nag-originate dito sa area ng Penang. So itong asam laksa, iba siya dun sa usual nating laksa na natitikman sa areas ng Singapore and Kuala Lumpur. So itong laksa na to mas fishy yung flavor, tapos medyo maasim daw. So this is the first time na makakatikim ako ng asam laksa. Very fishy. Parang may ano siya, parang may dinurog na fish or parang daing. our next food stop, lunch, second lunch ba to o early merienda? Pangalan nitong food place na to ay Moteng Piao Nyonya Kwai. Nyonya Kwai. Whatever, kung ano man, basta yun. Kakain kami ng mga kakanin. So, ito yung mga Peranakan dishes na kakanin. So guys, this is the plate of quays or quays or quays. Hindi ko alam yung basa talaga. Basta ito siya. Mga colorful na kakanin. Influence ng Chinese or Peranakan culture. And by the way, itong place na to, this is Michelin recommended. Meron silang Bib Gourmet.
So this is the main court, yeah. This is where you have your breakfast.
Okay.
Right? The breakfast is 7 to 10. It's a 7 breakfast. If you want any hot, you have to order from the menu.
Our room is here. Hello guys, we are back here sa Blue Mansion. Ang oras ngayon ay 3:15 p.m. and meron na kaming room. So, ang pangalan ng aming room ay ito, 50s. Tapos guys, tignan niyo yung susi ng room. Ang cute. Sinauna yung itsura. So, this is our room. Ayan, tignan niyo. This is the king-size bed, TV, sala area, coffee machine. Complimentary daw yung cookie, pero itong nandito sa gilid, mga snacks and chips, eh, may bayad daw. Safety deposit box, fridge. This is the fridge. Libre daw yung nasa taas, pero yung nasa baba, may bayad. Libre ba to? Ah, hindi pala siya libre. Pinapagamit lang while we are here. Body lotion, earplug, universal yung saksakan. Dito sa cabinet, merong robes, ironing board, weighing scale, vanity, mirror. Room namin napakataas ng ceiling. Oh. Ayan. Very spacious na, ang taas pa ng ceiling. So I'll show you the comfort room. This is the comfort room. Mirror, toilet, shower, jacuzzi. Tapos, itong room pala namin ay meron ding access sa labas. So, kung gusto namin pumunta sa garden, we can access it here. Look. This is the garden. We have access to the pool. That is our room dito sa Blue Mansion. Actually, guys, medyo expensive yung room na to. Puntahan nyo na lang sa website, doon yung makikita. Pero I think it's gonna be worth it. Masarap din yung breakfast daw. So we will try that tomorrow. It's almost 3:30. We'll go to the lobby to join the group na guided tour. So tara, let's go.
Every part of this screen was cleaned with a weak solution of alcohol and Q-tips to get into all the little crevices. When the whole thing was cleaned, it wasn't sprayed or painted gold. It was rubbed with gold leaf to get that quiet.
it's 5 o'clock PM and lumabas ulit kami. Di pa kami tapos mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Georgetown. Ang ganda-ganda actually ito. Very charming, very rustic. Napakaganda. Sobrang worthy to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thank you. So guys, this is the drink. This is called Ice Tingkap. This is actually Indian or Tamil nag-originate. Hindi ko alam, basta iba-iba yung ingredients niya. Tapos may coconut and everything. Tapos meron ding basil seeds. Mm. Mm. Yung lasa niya, subtle lang yung tamis. Tapos di ko alam kung saan ko siya may co-compare. Basta, sarap. Refreshing siya. Lasang candy. So right now guys, napunta tayo dito sa Campbell Street. And we are walking towards the Chinatown ng Georgetown. So, we'll just walk around. Tingin-tingin lang kung ano meron dito, kung ano yung mga interesting things to see, mga tindahan. Hindi na kami kakain kasi pupuntahan namin is dinner talaga. If you will walk around here, you will see a lot of shop houses. I think Chinese shop houses. Kasi a lot of the pillars still have the Chinese name of the original shops. So from the Chinatown area, we are now approaching the Little India area. So from the names of the locations themselves, alam mo na kagad kung anong culture yung namamayagpag doon sa area na yon. So sa Chinatown, syempre, mga Chinese people. Sa Little India, mga Indian people. Tapos meron din mga Muslim area, Pakistani area. So etong Georgetown kasi, nung naging colony sila ng Britain, welcome lahat ng people since it's a free port back then. Welcome lahat yung mga people na gusto mag-business dito sa area na to. Kaya, samot-saring mga cultures, naghalo-halo, they intermarried. So yung halo-halong culture na yon, that's what makes Georgetown really colorful, really unique. And it stands out to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And of course, since welcome yung different cultures dito sa Georgetown, yung religion dito, iba-iba rin. Merong Muslim, may Christian, may mga Hindu, Buddhist, ayun. So talagang halo-halong culture dito, no? At syempre dahil naghalo-halo yung cultures, napakadaming food, naghalo-halo din. So talagang halo-halo ang Georgetown, nakakatuwa. So ngayon guys, we reached Pasar Street. So this is the Little India. So actually marami ring street food dito na Indian cuisine. So very evident talaga yung influence ng Indian people dito sa Penang. Kasi noong panahon ng British colony itong Penang, yung India sakop din ng Britain. Kaya yung mga workers, tsaka merchants, pumupunta talaga dito sa Penang. Take a look at the buildings here. It's giving very downtown vibes. So guys, we finally arrived sa aming target na kakainan for tonight. We are here sa Aunt Gaiklyn's Old School Eatery. This place is actually 1-star Michelin, kaya pinipilahan. Nakuha na ako ng number. We are 5th in line. So, waiting kami. Sabi nung nagbabantay, around 1 hour daw ang waiting. Medyo napadami yata yung order ko. Di ko alam kung mauubos namin to. Pero basically, these are all Peranakan food. House specialty nitong Angags Eatery. So tara, kain tayo. Spicy yata to na. So guys, gaya nga niya sabi ko kanina na parami yung order namin. And busog na kami at this moment. Well, naubos naman namin yung yung nasi ulam. Tapos halos naubos na rin namin yung appetizer plate. Iniintay na lang namin lumabas yung dessert, yung sago gula melaka yata. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ito, lumabas na. This is the sago gula. This is our dessert. So ayun guys, we are now done with our dinner dito sa Ant Guys. Grabe, the wait was so worth it. Ang sarap ng food dito. Sobrang worth it yung medyo mahal actually. Medyo pricey yung binayaran. Pero it's definitely worth it. So ayan, may takeaway pa kaming food. So lunch na namin to tomorrow. So ngayon, babalik na kami sa hotel. It's been a long day ngayon. Puro lakad ginawa namin. Tapos, yeah. Thank you guys for watching.